kids! Today we are drawing a happy boy eating breakfast. Let's draw together. First, we draw the face of the boy with spiky hair. Our boy has big, shiny eyes. Now we are drawing a t-shirt with a small pocket. Did you know? Breakfast is the most important meal of the day.
Breakfast gives us power to run and play.
So cute drawing. Our drawing looks so beautiful. One hand holds a fork up, the other a knife. Wow, so cute, boy. Now we draw the round table. Don't forget to like and subscribe. On the table, we draw a big plate with a beautiful apple and a fried egg with yellow yolks. Look, there's a piece of toast with butter. Next to it, a carton of milk and a glass of juice. Wow, so healthy food. Do you like eggs? Eggs give us protein, apple gives vitamins, milk makes our bones strong, and toast gives quick energy. Let's coloring. Wow, wow, wow! Fantastic! Our drawing looks so beautiful. You are an awesome artist.
all the rain.
Well done! Give yourself a big, big hug. Look at your drawing, little artists. Wow! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more fun drawings. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.